Excerpt. The term excerpt refers to a small portion or a selected passage taken from a larger piece of text or work. It is usually used to highlight or showcase a specific part of the original text, often for reference, analysis, or citation purposes. Examples: 1. The professor shared an excerpt from a classic novel during the lecture to illustrate the author's writing style. In this example, the professor chose a specific passage from a novel to demonstrate how the author crafted their sentences, used literary devices, or portrayed a particular theme. 2. The newspaper article included an excerpt from an interview with the celebrity. In this case, the journalist included a short section of the interview to provide readers with a glimpse of the celebrity's thoughts or opinions. 3. The book's back cover featured an excerpt from a glowing review by a renowned critic. Here, the publisher selected a quote from a review that praised the book, intending to entice potential readers by showcasing the positive feedback. 4. The website provides an excerpt from each chapter of the book to give readers a preview of the content. In this instance, the website shares small sections from different chapters to give readers an idea of the writing style, themes, or topics covered in the book. Overall, an excerpt allows readers to get a taste of the original text without having to read the entire piece. It serves as a concise representation of the larger work and can be used for various purposes, such as analysis, promotion, or reference.